The race is on. Lady Line fast to begin, brushing up Haley Star. Asling is racing from the outside. Tatara best of Chimay. Friends Rhythm down on the inside. Lady Line by two, followed by Friends Rhythm. Asling alongside Haley Star, best of Chimay. His street song is racing in six from the outside by the cutting edge. My Heart's Delight. Tatara, third last Armidale and Pride and Joy is the early trailer as they round the 3/4 mile distance. Lady Line by Ellen Kenap, Star from the outside, Hasling, the street songs racing in port by the Relish Branch Rhythm. Cutting Edge moving up now to take Sick by the Real Best of Chimay. My Heart's Delight, Tatara, Armidale, Pride and Joy is still running at the tail of the field past the half-mile post. Lady Line. Hail Star, Hustling, Street Song, Cutting Edge, Branch Rhythm, My Heart's Delight, Best of Chimay, Tatara, Armidale, Pride and Joy still running at the tail of the field. Last 450, Hail Star by ahead, Lady Line, Hustling in the middle, down on the inside, Cutting Edge, Street Song, racing towards the final turn, and into the long Santana stretch run. Lady Line moving up down on the inside is Cutting Edge, Hail Star, Hustling, Friends Rhythm, and nearing the finish line, Lady Line, Cutting Edge, Hail Star, and on the outside is Tatara, Cutting Edge, Lady Line, Hail Star, Tatara.